Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
This is it, folks. Catch. I've got a big old bowl for them right now. Let out the mommy out of the pen. And the pups in here eating. Wow. Get out the mommy out of the pen. And the pups working their food down. Got their first shot Sunday. They're practically their worm out. 3 weeks worm out Sunday. Now they are feasting. Come around, come around. See, they're practically working down the food. Watch here. Wow. Food's almost finished.
So yeah guys, all 5 pups got worm out. Sky got worm out as well. We did that on our own because we couldn't manage to carry her along for the journey.